HCTI stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is healthcare triangle stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me and what's not. I'm here to tell you that this is a one heck of a bearish market for me. I'm not even saying this in like a bad way or anything. It's just that that's the ranges, and I know it went up 7%, but the only thing that's really going to make me be bullish on HCTI, it's a full candle close above 936. Almost needs to double from where we're now. This prediction, I mean, all it meant is that if there is a double break, I'm looking to just double down, sell more. This is the ranges if we really follow it. And ultimately with HCTI, my bad. If there is not this confirmation, then I'm not willing to sell. I mean, honestly, I don't think it's getting simpler than that, like genuinely speaking. And with about 21 results in the Discord, there's really not lack of receipts with HCTI. Now, what happens if it starts pumping? Well, for that, I'll keep you updated, but for right now, that's the range. And I'm waiting for confirmations. Now, if you want to get my money-making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.